Again, we are exclusive to the industry. We're the only sweeper manufacturer with manual override valves. Every sweeper has override valves, but they're all electric on these other ones. Here, these are sour Danfoss valves. By the way, our pump is sour as well. One of the top 2 or 3 manufacturers in the world of hydraulics, and we've used this from the very start. So all the oil is pushed through these spools and to the various locations throughout the sweeper. And these overrides are really handy when you, for maintenance and cleaning. You can have this little motor running here, and if you're washing it down, you can move the elevator, you can rotate the brooms and raise and lower without jumping in and out of the cab. And it's a great diagnostic tool as well, because when you push a button inside the cab, one of these valves better open, right? Or close, I guess. Open or close. Right now they're closed. But you will actually see these valves open and close when you're real handy.